The incredible history of the tomato. Tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines around the world. Whether used in salads, sauces, or simply eaten raw, they add a burst of flavor and color to any dish. But have you ever wondered where tomatoes come from and how they became such a popular ingredient in our kitchens? They certainly were not widely accepted from the get-go. In fact, for a long time, tomatoes were considered poisonous and were grown only for their ornamental value. The history of the tomato is fascinating and spans centuries and continents. Let's reveal you some interesting facts about the history of the tomato. The origin. Tomatoes are native to South America and were first cultivated by the Aztecs in what is now Mexico. Spanish Conquistadors. When the Spanish conquistadors arrived in South America in the 16th century, they discovered tomatoes and brought them to Europe. A poisonous fruit? However, it was not well received by Europeans, who believed the tomato was poisonous because of its resemblance to the deadly nightshade plant. Tomatoes accepted as a food product. Starting in the 18th century, tomatoes became widely accepted as a food product in Europe and eventually made their way to North America. Tomatoes. Today, the tomato is one of the most widely grown and consumed fruits in the world, with countless varieties and uses in cooking. Basic ingredient. Tomatoes are a staple ingredient in many cuisines around the world. From fresh salads to rich pasta sauces, tomatoes add a burst of flavor and nutrition to any dish.